Welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy. In this week's recipe, I show you how to do an American cookie. Yeah, one of those. So before we get a little bit started on this recipe, please make sure you subscribe, you change your notification channel in your settings, and you follow my recipe as well as this channel. The link will be under the show more, and you will find any other recipe we have. So this is how we do it, and this is how the cookie crumbles. See you after this. Welcome back. First of all, just make sure you really measure every single way all your ingredients such as butter, flour. And first of all, make sure your butter is very soft. It's very important, so work it a little bit or leave it out of the fridge. Then you can add your brown sugar. Oh yeah, that's brown sugar. It's just lovely. Mix it well. We don't want to overwork it or over cream the cookie dough. Then you can add your egg, give it a little bit of a mix. Just like so. Well, now we're gonna add the vanilla essence. Combine again the vanilla essence to the other ingredients. And when this is done, we're just gonna start to add the flour, the bicarb, and the corn flour to the dough. Do it slowly. Incorporate the dry ingredients maybe in 3 times. When you have completed these tasks, all you gotta do is to add the chopped walnuts as well as the chocolate drops. So I use a mix of dark chocolate and milk chocolate because it tastes so much better. I slowly combine all the ingredients together, and I'm gonna cover it and leave it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I will preheat my oven at about 160 degrees Celsius. To shape my cookie, I will just grab a small batch of the cookie and create a small balls and just press a little bit on the ball, or gently press on the ball to make it a little bit flatter. And I do that for all my cookie dough. Once done, all I gotta do is really to put this in the oven for about 12 to 14 minutes. I said 12 to 14 minutes, very important. And one day I bake, you remove the tray from the oven and you put it on the bench to cool down. You gotta wait at least 10 minutes to cool down before you can even just embrace it. smell it, see it, touch it, eat it, try it. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe and see you on the flip side.